working to issue a cease and desist order. Nike says the logo was designed by a company it had partnered with, but that it won't be moving forward with that collection. Now to a pretty dramatic video. This is a Tesla going up in flames. Actress Mary McCormack, who starred in The West Wing, says her husband was driving in LA when a couple flagged him down and told him to pull over. Amazingly, he was not hurt. Tesla saying tonight this is extraordinarily rare and they are investigating. Police say it appears to be a battery or a mechanical issue. Unfortunately, no gasoline to fuel that fire in there. Turning now to a storm watch weather alert. And while we deal with heat, Michigan and surrounding states are dealing with severe storms and heavy rain. You can see water rushing down roads and pulling up pavement. More than 60 sinkholes reported as the flooding intensified. The National Weather Service calling the damage there historic, and there's more rain in the forecast for that area. So we could see a tiny bit of rain?
And maybe a few showers tomorrow. I don't think it's going to amount to a whole lot, but more as we move into the day on Tuesday and then into Wednesday. But tomorrow,
the heat.
The heat. That is the big story. So it's going to be one of the hottest days we've had so far this year. Make sure you plan ahead, stay hydrated, and dress comfortably because it's going to be a sizzler. All right, outside we go right now, and this is our crescent moon for you. This is from our camera over at National Harbor, zoomed in real close, and you can see that our skies right now are mainly clear. Just a few passing clouds, and we may see a little bit of patchy fog come early tomorrow morning. Still hanging on to 80 degrees at Reagan National Airport this hour, so it is on the warm and humid side. 70 in Winchester, 72 over in Luray. Dew point levels middle 60s to lower 70s, so feels a bit sticky. If you have the option of keeping the AC on tonight, I would do it and get a head start on early tomorrow morning. Feels like temperatures right now, lower 80s inside the Capitol Beltway. Stormwatch 7 satellite radar. Any showers that we had south of town now quickly dissipating. We knew that would happen after sunset. That is exactly what has occurred. 65 to 75, partly cloudy skies. Areas of fog come early tomorrow morning. Waking up to a very warm start to our day on Monday. Upper 60s in Leesburg. We'll be at around 75 degrees downtown D.C. Travel plans take you to Philadelphia or New York City. Also looking at heat advisories. No heat advisories for the D.C. metro area, but it is going to be very hot out there tomorrow. So hot that we are going to look at temperatures around 100 to 105 in terms of heat index values. This is what it looks like 10 a.m. This is our future cast. Promised you a chance for an isolated shower or two. This just updated. This is all that it brings in during the midday hours, so don't even bother with an umbrella. Make sure that you have lots of water for tomorrow and some shade if you're going to be outside for a longer period of time. Highs tomorrow around 95 degrees, well above average for this time of year. Record at Reagan National stands at 97. The same for BWI Marshall. A good chance that we can at least tie the record over at Dulles. They are at 94 degrees. Here are heat index values. Waking up early tomorrow morning, already well into the 80s. Lunchtime will be in the middle 90s, and by late afternoon, feels like temperatures around 100 to 105 degrees. We're going to cool things down just a little bit for you on Tuesday. A better chance for some showers and thunderstorms, along with some areas of heavier rain, and then unsettled for the rest of the week. Here's your 7-day outlook from Stormwatch 7. 95 tomorrow, 93 on Tuesday. We're back into the upper 80s where we should be as we move into the middle and end of the week. Summer is yet to officially begin. That happens on Thursday. But you know what? It's going to be hot tomorrow, and whether it's summer or not, it's going to feel like it out there. And then we stay unsettled into the weekend. You see all those thunderstorm icons on there. It's not a washout. It just is telling you keep a watchful eye to the sky. Make sure you at least have an umbrella with you. But tomorrow, would not even bother with anything at all.
Did you hear about the earthquake down in Mexico today?
Yes, and there was one in Japan within the last 2 hours.
Well, the one in Japan was created naturally. The one in Mexico, created by humans.
It's called soccer. It's called World Cup Soccer. Mexico.
It's incredible.
Huge upset today, and plus some golf. U.S. Open. It's been crazy there. As Shinnecock Hills will tell you who was hoisting the trophy. Plus, the Nats' struggles continued in Toronto. We're going to show you what happened in that game deciding 8th inning. Sports is next. Stay with us.
97.1 Wash FM.
Always updating our playlist.
Playing over 97 minutes of commercial-free music to start your workday.
We'll keep you feeling good with the best variety of the 80s, 90s, and today.
On 97.1 Wash FM.
Stylish. You can't be seen in that. I won't allow it.
Our suits?
Your transportation. Imagine hands-free automation, configurable seating, and dual touch screens to avoid conflicts.
That might be nice.
Get to the Chrysler Pacifica Incredible Sales Event. Right now, finance and get $4,000 total cash allowance on the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. See Disney Pixar's Incredibles 2 in theaters June 15th.
You may now thank me.
This may look like a car, but it's not a car. Because we don't make just cars. We make technology that moves people. This is the all-new Nissan Leaf, featuring Nissan Intelligent Mobility with tech like Pro Pilot Assist that is reinventing driving and changing the way we commute. Now the most exciting tech you own